Selamat sore. Good afternoon from Canggu, Bali, Indonesia. The beaches of Canggu, Bali, are a mesmerizing blend of black sand shores, vibrant surf culture, and tranquil beauty. Each beach, Nelayan, Batu Bolong, Echo, and Berawa, offers a unique experience that transforms dramatically between sunrise and sunset. Let me take you on a journey through these beaches as the day unfolds. In the morning, Nelayan Beach is a tranquil haven. This black sand beach, dotted with colorful fishing boats, comes alive with local fishermen having returned from their dawn expeditions. Of the 4 beaches I visited, Nelayan Beach was the closest to Lemon Guest House, my accommodation, located just a 14-minute walk away. The gentle waves lap at the shore, creating a peaceful atmosphere perfect for a meditative stroll or quiet reflection. The soft hues of the morning sky mirror the calm waters, making it an idyllic spot for photographers. As the day winds down, Nelayan Beach transforms into a serene retreat. The sunsets here are breathtaking, with fiery oranges and pinks painting the horizon. Visitors often spread mats or settle at one of the few local shacks to enjoy the view with a refreshing drink in hand. The absence of large crowds enhances its charm, making it ideal for those seeking solitude. Batu Bolong Beach greets the day with a quieter energy. Batu Bolong is about 19 minutes walk from Lemon Guest House, where I stayed. Batu Bolong Beach is also easily walkable from Nelayan Beach, where we were earlier. Surfers take to the water early to catch the slow rolling waves before the crowds arrive. This is the perfect time for beginners to learn surfing without much competition in the water. By evening, Batu Bolong becomes one of Canggu's liveliest spots. Tourists and locals gather to witness the sun dip below the horizon while enjoying drinks at beachside bars like Old Man's or The Lawn. The black sand shimmers in the twilight, while fearless surfers carve through the roaring waves. Their silhouettes dancing against the dusky glow, adding to the sea's wild celebration. Known locally as Pantai Batu Mejan, Echo Beach is a surfer's dream in the early morning hours. Echo Beach is about 30 minutes walk from my accommodation, Lemon Guest House. The powerful waves attract experienced surfers who revel in its challenging breaks. The rugged beauty of this beach, with its black sand and rocky outcrops, feels almost untouched at dawn, offering an inspiring start to the day. As night falls, Echo Beach becomes a hotspot for socializing. The lively crowd includes families foraging for seashells on outcrops overlooking the ocean. Berawa Beach exudes an untamed charm in the morning. Among the beaches I visited, Berawa Beach was the furthest from Lemon Guest House, requiring a 30-minute walk. Accessing Berawa Beach from Nelayan Beach was challenging due to the intervening deep-water estuary, Loloan Yeluvi. The ashen volcanic sand recedes gently into the churning embrace of the foaming sea. Early risers can enjoy a peaceful walk along its shores. Visitors can also explore the small Puradalem Rancak temple nearby and watch locals making offerings. Each of these beaches offers a distinct slice of Canggu's coastal allure. From Nelayan's serene allure To Batu Bolong's electrifying pulse, Echo's untamed surf culture, and Berawa's seamless fusion of raw beauty and refined charm, these shores weave unforgettable moments from the first blush of dawn to the last ember of dusk.